Bum 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 bum. I'm a son and I untold, waiting for bold. Go make games, your time is now. World, show me how, creating magnificent worlds. Waiting here, you're the one. Well, we're excited. My neighbor just woke up, so I can do whatever I want with my voice and songs and singing and yes, that's right, chat, singing. But we're gonna play Minecraft. Replace molten cheese with blood. Alrighty, bro. You do you. Exciting stuff. Bam bam. Are we gonna get a clash or what's going on? What's going on? I would like to ask a question. Wow. Clash is gonna take forever to load as per usual. Bam 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 bam. Night the night. Can we put Code and Game in the title there? Give me a light. Clash, would you respond please on this frequency? Bum, 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 bum. We'll come back later and check on Clash. Computer, oh, here we go. We're at a village. Your time is now. Oh yeah, I died. Is that a ruined portal over there? That looks like a ruined portal. No, I don't know. Oh shoot, we got an illager. Where am I? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. 4 beds, 5 beds. Hello. Hello, villager. Yes. Wait, let's get this tall grass out of here. Bum bum. Whoa. Don't kick the horse. Alright, you can kick the horse. Don't kick the golem. Alright, where's the bell? Why didn't I set up next to the bell? I have a thing for farmers, alright? Okay. Something about the hands, I'm telling you. Alright. Silliness. Wait, did I? Hold on. Excusez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Does that play the song or does it just go to the next one? No, here we have to. Hold on. We have to choose all of them. I don't want to. So let's. Future is now. Let's go here. I don't know. Some of these songs are a little bit. Bum bum ba-da-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum. Where am I going to put all these beds? Begin. Let's try a new. We're starting again. Give us Gordon. What does that mean? Long to ride now. Okay. Loading terrain. Come on. AI co-pilot. Son of a bean dip. Oh, tonight. Oh, we got the. Oh my gosh! I don't think I've ever had the cherry blossom as my first tree. That's cool. Wait, come here. Here we go. Give me. Give me. What time is it? It's 7:52. I know. Oh my gosh. What? Ah! Ah! Oh, look at that. We got stone right over there. And then is that a dark oak for us? Oh no, it's chilly. I'm so cold. It's cold. It's too cold over here. Oh, we gotta pee! I wish that bee would be my friend. Okay, are these connected? They are. I just want to get... There we go. That's what I want. A couple of... Here, let's just make some... Hold on. Okay, let's see if we can... Oh, can we do this already? Fine. Future is now. Okay, we need a better village. But let's here. AI Copilot. Son of a... Is that another cherry blossom sapling that fell? Have you got saplings here? I want a couple of saplings. You know, take home to the kids. Come on. How many I have one. And oh, here you go. That's two. I mean, that's decent, I guess. All right, let's get out of here. Where are we even going? I don't know. What's on the other side of this mountain? Another mountain. Okay, truth is I just had juice and I'm excited. So and my neighbor just woke up and it's 8 o'clock so I can make noise anyways. I'm not loud anyways, but the other day I guess I woke him up and I didn't wake him up, but I've been in this building for 26 years. Fairly thin walls, okay, true story. But I've been woken up when I pass the deep part of sleep, where you're not where your body's like, yeah, you can sleep a little bit more if you want to. But there's a point where your body's like, yeah, but if I hear a sound, dude, you're not going back to bed. And he had this, I'm sure this was what happened to him yesterday. Okay? And I just happened to be singing. Yes, singing. Thank you. Thank you very much. And he's new to the building. He just moved in. Pretty sure he's an owner. I don't actually know. He could be a renter. But he just pounds on the ceiling, bro. Like loud. I'm sitting here with headphones on, music and a fan going, singing. And I can hear this dude pounding on the ceiling. It's like, okay. So, long story short, I possibly interrupted him, right? Disturbed him. But that wasn't what happened because he woke up, like I said, past the deep point of sleep. Your body is the one that makes that decision, and you're awake and you're stuck awake and you hate it. I get it. You don't start pounding on the ceiling and wake up, everybody else, because there's a bunch of people around me. Anyways, that was yesterday. So I took my beautiful voice and I gave him the benefit of the doubt, and I didn't want to go down and talk to him because it's a little bit immature to just pound on the ceiling. I was just like, I don't even know the guy. I haven't even met him. He didn't come up and say, hey, you've been here 26 years. My name is so-and-so. I just moved in. And I didn't even know if it was actually him because I thought he was here to remodel the place. Actually what I really thought. There's this older lady who moved in right across the hallway at the same time. I thought they were together. It's kind of a younger black guy. And the other lady's an older white lady with cats. Got a 550 square foot condo like mine. Actually 500 because I have 550 with a balcony. He does not have a balcony. He's got 3 cats. So I thought, and they moved in at the, whoa, look at that. At the same time, it's like maybe they're dating, you know, or, you know, maybe he's just remodeling one for her, one of the condos for her. I don't know. In the dark. So anyways, yeah, he's very new. Didn't even come over to introduce himself. And if he is the owner, which I'm still doubting at this point, because I don't think an owner would actually act like that, because an owner is pretty much, you know, this is what I bought, this is where I live, not a renter. Renter's not going to be like that. A renter's going to be like a stupid apartment owner who's on a lease that can leave when the lease is done, or if it's month to month, they're gone the next month, bro. But an owner acting so immature like that, I'm just like, so I don't know if he's the owner. Anyways, I thought AI had a good idea. Just document the noises and stuff like that. So if it continues, we're just gonna document, and deal with this guy as it goes. If he's an owner, I'm joining the board of directors. I'm gonna get involved again with the condo and start helping shape decisions around here. Let people know what's going on with, at the very least, my neighbor. Being a doofus. Yes, I said doofus. Okay, did Clash of Code load? Anybody? Oh my god, how long has it been? How long have I been streaming? Okay, when I first started streaming 12 minutes ago, I clicked right there. It did not join the Clash. Did this happen for anybody else? Okay, what is this song? AI Uprising. That's right, bro. I don't want to go this way. Dun, 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 dun. The code's alive. AI warrior, what the? You guys thinking AI is gonna rise up? Come on, they can't even say AI. A warrior, okay. Oh god, I have to laugh at AI so much. I'm sorry. As much as I laugh at Microsoft, oh, a pink boat, oh my god. As much as I laugh at Microsoft and their Windows operating system, it operates alright. It's a system alright, I'll tell you. Oh wait, where's my thing? Okay, did we get Clash of Code? Yeah, we're in launch. Oh my god, there's only one other person. No. Oh, we got another one. Yes. Okay, we actually have a Clash. Computer, what are you doing? I don't even know that song. Oh wait, I don't want to come back to Minecraft. I want to go back to this one. Oh, we're in. Here we go. Let's go. Excuse me. Let's burp. Neither fizz nor... Oh no. Fizz or buzz? Son of a bean dip. In the game of Fizz Buzz, a player considers each number from 1 to n inclusive and should output fizz if the number is divisible by 3 or int I equals 1 is less than or equal to n. Computer, type the less than or equal to... Okay, I can't see what I'm doing. Rise up Let your spirit free. So if I mod 3 equals 0, okay. Output fizz. Okay, I can do that. See out. Capital fizz. Okay. Alright, about the number divided by 5. If I mod 5 equals 0. Computer, what are you doing? See out. Fizz buzz. There you go. Fizz buzz is both 3 and 5. Output the number otherwise. Otherwise. Son of a beat. Anything equals false. So now these need to be higher and higher. Waves of sound that break the walls before it falls. Anything equals true. Hold on. There. Yes, I'm grumpy. Son of a bean dip and flapjacks. Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. What? Okay, output the number otherwise. Okay, so then if we get through this, if we go if not anything, then we output the number. Sound that break the walls. Okay. Given n, how many times will the player's output be a number? What? Oh. Light the way. Oh, so we just want to count. Son of a bean dip. I should read the whole thing. Int count equals 0. So neither fizz nor buzz. Now I get it. Oh my god, that's funny. Not plus plus. Okay. So we really don't need this output. We don't need this output. Probably a way to simplify this with an OR. Yeah, well now that we're not printing, let's just simplify that with an OR. What? You didn't do it, bro? Why not? Computer? Why is it taking so long to compile? In progress? What's going on? Why is it taking so long to compile? Is this why dude left? Oh, man. So it looks like Clash of Code is toast. We'll come back. It's got 10 minutes to try to... Alright, that's those... Computer, you're not playing any music. Of course, I choose it here. Where the silence streams so loud among the dust, where no hearts are allowed. I trade my soul for a glimpse of gold, but it's hope I'm chasing, a dream to hold. The stars. Unknown with the boy I wander, where to go, Goldstone, whatever. Starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic echoes, I hear some KFC. Only cargo, it's all that carries me. Bam, ba-da, bam, ba-da, bam, ba-da, bam, ba-da, bam, da. my way. Another heartache. I keep flying. With so much at stake. So if I fall, will the stars remember me? And fade into their vast eternity. My name, but it's swallowed by the night. Still, I push forward, still chasing the light. I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic echoes, hear a fragile plea. Hope's the only cargo, all that carries me. All right. Searching for darn leaf litter. I don't want any leaf litter, bro. Through cosmic echoes, hear a fragile plea. Hope's the only cargo, it's all that carries me. All right, it's all that carries me. We got you. Hey, me, do re mi. Okay. I want to make a boat. Oh my gosh, we're actually way up here. What the heck? How come we're so far up here? I don't like going down this far and then going into the water like that. I want to do it. Go down here and do it. Here, get in the water. Can I? Okay. Can we? Okay. All right. Did Clash of Code finish? So much frustration today. Play all test scores, computer. It was 4 minutes ago I clicked on it. 4 minutes ago. Yeah, I don't think a refresh is gonna do it, but oh, it's broken. All right, well there you go. Clash of Code is broken. Sorry, yeah, leave the site. Snarl, snurf, snarf, snarf. I think I have a leak code account and that right now. Mumble something about leak code. Okay. Moving on. I'm just Bum, 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 bum. There is no land. I spawned and I'm oh, is that land? This is outlandish. Come on, computer. You got to show me some land. Alright, well I want to sing copyrighted songs, so that means I have to quit streaming. Later, Gator. Honestly, if Code and Game was up, I'd be on longer.
Dang it, Jeff.
I know. If Code and Game was up, bro, look at this. It won't load. I'm so sad. Hey, how you doing, by the way? How are you doing? See, look at this. It even, see, it's got this little thing at the top. Oh, there's people in here. Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Twitch just Covino. I saw you open a game engine. I tab away so happy. Tab back in Minecraft.
I know. I did some stuff recently. What did I do? Actually, I am working on interesting. Hold on, let me load it up here. That's a compression one. We don't want to delete it. Existing game. Where is it at? You've got to find the game in order to play it, you see? Oh, Twitch game. Twitch game. Oh, ha, ha. So I sit there and chat with AI at work, and I take notes and stuff, and then I come home and I put together the plan. But this is all I have, though. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's loading right now. As we speak.
Twitch programmer Jeff, the game has started.
Oh, it
Type
does put that
commands
in
to show the
chat.
list of commands.
It puts that in chat. Where's the thing, though? That's it. You can type something and it'll show up. It'll show up in there. It's just something.
Twitch programmer Jeff.
It gives the raw data. Oh, and then this was just a thing I did for to
Twitch
do
just
text.
Covino. Something else.
Something else. There you go. Wait, so where? How come it has this? Is that the channel that it was sent from? Oh, here's your name. Just go, you know. So wait, did I print out?
Twitch just Covino, neat.
So when I do that, what am I printing out here? Extract username. Temp F : username dash. Hold on, am I doing this right? No, it's not doing it. It's not doing it right. Okay, so it's not getting the username correctly. Ah, the problem. So parse message equals that. Username equals client. Extract username message. Right. Okay, so let's look at that function. Shoot, let's look at that function. Just a second. Parse message. Extract username. Okay. Okay, so start find message find colon. All right, hold on. So in the message right here, colon. First message, received message. Yeah, all of this. So this is the channel that it's sent from. I think that they might have slightly changed the way that they send this raw data from when I did that function. Because that was a while ago. Because this used to be the username. After priv message came the username and the message. Okay, so question mark. Hold on, let me put this on the other screen so I can look at this while I'm find question mark. So there's colon. Oh, question mark. Just Covino at justcovino.tmi.twitch.tv. Okay. Start equals colon, end equals exclamation. Oh, right there. Oh, your message had an exclamation mark. Wait a minute. But when you just type something else, it did the same thing. Find start. Okay, start is not even it. Return message subject. Start plus one, end minus start minus one. So
Twitch just Covino, what happens if I use or asterisk?
Yeah, it's the same thing. So I wonder why it's saying that the username. Although you know what? I think when I print the username there, username length is less than 48 and username length is greater than 5. Length temp f equals float. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, but it's getting it right down here. What? So how come it's getting it right down here? See, your name's right there. So it is getting it right in the bottom part there when I do my little... Oh, I see. So wait a minute. When it does parse message... Because what's... Parse message, programmer Jeff, neat. Oh. But that's not what we want to print. So it's in the actually... So that, I think that actually works. Parse message right here. Return parse message. Find the index of priv message. Not position return. Okay, return parse message. Substring there. First not of that, last not of that. Okay, parse return. So hey, aren't you going to stream in a little while? It's only 8 in the morning here, and I try to stay awake for a while. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to work at 4, so I got plenty of time. I already slept for like 4 hours, so I don't know what I'm doing. But so this is parsed message. So what am I looking at? Why am I thinking this is wrong here? Parse message, parsed message.
Just got hit with an ad, but yes. Start in
Oh, an ad.
Twitch just
Oh, okay.
10 minutes. Oh geez, I gotta get ready.
Oh, cool.
Twitch programmer Jeff. Cool. I will see you then also.
Let me see here. So let me just go into here. Check for username. Let's just see out it right here. Yep. All right. So let's shut it down. Start it back up again.
Twitch programmer Jeff, the game has started. Type commands to show the list of commands. Twitch programmer Jeff, what?
Oh, now it got it right. So then when it prints parse message, I don't really want it to print that. But that's fine. All right, I thought it was freaking out. Programmer Jeff. Okay, that's cool then. So I was just misunderstanding what my stuff was. It's been a long time since I've worked with this stuff, but I just got it down to the bare bones Twitch stuff the other day. Okay, get star, set star. We're not going to use that for this particular program. All right. Did this start yet? Well, I did the other one. I just didn't get any results of my... I did the other Clash. You know, I wonder if it'll let me. Can I launch a private Clash? Oh. Cool. Here, let's see if we can try this. Copy. Of course, we have to have somebody else to participate, but maybe somebody will come
Twitch
in.
programmer Jeff. Link to coding game.
Maybe somebody will come in. If somebody comes in, let me know. While I'm looking at this here. Received message. Look at that. What is what in the world? Okay, so this actually works fine. That was the main thing I was worrying about. Bloop. Does it close the other? Bloop. All right, and can we get another song, or what do we do? What you do? Oh, somebody's in. Yay! Somebody's in. Who's here? Cool. What's up, whoever you are? Yay! Let's see if it works. The other one crashed. Maybe a private clash will work. You can join anytime after we start, up until the clash ends at 15 minutes is over. It looks like we're in. All right. So will it actually do a test case? Because I tried, it wouldn't do. Oh, it's working. All right. Here we go. Okay. I'm excited now. Okay, I like reverse too. These are my favorites. So here, let's get this figured out. Here we got character or none, whatever. Okay, that's a hint, I guess. Okay, AAB, C, what? Is it the first single? Is that it? C, none, A, B. It's the first single, right? First single, alpha. Okay. Okay, what network error status 524? No, no, why? It looks like it's working. I'm gonna try it anyways. Okay, so
Twitch 5
for
function, cheer 50.
hey Fifth, what's up? Thank you for the bits,
Twitch
bro.
5 function. Sup Jeff.
What's up? Nothing. Clash of Code is freaking out. I hope it works. You can join if you like there, bro. I already got one other person clashing. What does it see is the best programming language until JAI is released. They haven't released JAI yet. Anyways, what are you up to, Fifth? What's going on? What's happening? Snapping? All right, so let's go length. Oh wait, do I have to do string length, s dot length like that? Yeah.
Twitch 5 function. Tired. Though might do a stream later and rant about nothing lol.
Cool. Cool. Ranting about nothing is cool. I did a rant at the beginning of this stream about my neighbor below me. Hey, it says I have 5 years. Feel free to join the clash, guys. I don't know that it's working
Twitch 5
100%,
function,
but
LOL.
yeah. Okay, so let's see. What do we do here? So maybe I could do for each one, and then just kind of just be dumb about it and go check the rest of the string. Let's actually go from the length, the position there, and then go J++. Okay. And so, what do we want to do? Yeah. So really what we want to know here is, because we have a char at index I, we want to know if that char is equal to the char at index j. So if s of I equals s of j, then we want to break. If we want to set a variable, we have to figure out what variable to set though. So we want to know if it's true or false. Google found a match equals false. But if we're in here, found a match equals true. Okay. Oops, not true. Okay, so if it gets after this loop, wait, found match. Oh, we need to go out here. Sorry, chatty. Out here. So found a match, then it goes in here. If it's true, it comes out. If it is false, that's the first one that we found. So if not found match, then that is the first one. Then what we want to do is see out S sub I. I don't know if we need an. I don't know if we need an end out. Where's? And then we need another Boolean. What? Keyboard malfunction here. Okay. Found a match, false, found a match. So if it gets in here and it didn't find a match for any of them, then we go find any equals true. And then out here, if we go if not find any, then what do we see out? None. Is that what it says? None. All right. We'll find out if we have to do the end L or whatever here. What are you doing? Oh, find any. Found any. Found any. Come on, Jeff. Type right. Type right. Spell right. Being up your own. You made your own variable. Spelled it wrong. Uh-oh. Dude didn't get it. Oh, no. What? Oh, wait. What? What happened? What happened? Found none, expected B. Okay. If not found match, found any. Oh. Wait. What? Wait, how come it didn't find B? If S of I equals S of J, J equals I to the length, J plus plus, right? I plus plus, okay. So what, when it gets to B, it should be, here. Was it this one? Found match. S sub I, S sub, what? Why not? Because I is going to be 0. This is going to go from 0 to the length and see if there's an A. Going to find a match, so it's not going to go true, and it's going to break. If not found a match, it'll do that. Oh wait, found any equals true. If not, and we want to break right there.
Somehow I got 88% even though I passed all the test cases. I guess I'm supposed to be psychic and be able to reverse the invisible test cases, LOL. What a stupid mode.
Hey, it's my favorite mode, but they didn't have enough tests. Not enough tests. And thanks for joining. And what's happening? No, I'm not getting it. Okay. So my brain is malfunctioning here, and there's something I'm missing. So found any equals false. Do I have that right? Am I using the right Boolean? I don't know. So here, found match is false. There, found match. So what, and I'm getting none, right? So found any ends up being false. Wait, if not found a match. I'm just glad Code and Game was working. I tried a few minutes ago and it wasn't working. I was going to end stream literally because it wasn't working. I was going to end. I was going to end it all. All right. I wasn't going to end it all. I was going to end it all. Found match. So here, found match is true, and then it breaks, right? If not found match. Oh, wait a minute. Are we doing this wrong? Found match is true. No. If not found match, found any. Okay. I know. That's right. Then it prints this, and then it breaks. So why doesn't it, go, whoa. We need to start at I+1. I'm an idiot. It was matching with that one every single time. Wait, try again. What? Wait, how come it printed A? What? So hold on. When it's at B, right? A plus S sub I. Hmm. 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 How could it print? Wait, what's the answer to that one? Printed A. Okay, 5 minutes, Jeff. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. I put in some new memes, by the way. Some new quantum-inspired memes. I mean, he inspired the whole meme thing, but I put in some new memes.
Twitch Dan Dimke, meme.
Mimi. Me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Dude, my neighbor hasn't been slamming on the ceiling. That's good. I'm excited. Excited. It's a non-ceiling slamming day. Yeah.
Twitch Dan Dimke, I called my grandma meme as a child.
That's mean. No, I'm kidding. No, that's cool. Grandma meme, Mimi. So I can't believe I'm missing something here. What am I missing? Found match is false. So it goes there to check. Found match set to true, break, right? So it goes out of the J. And if not found match, then it'll do that. But otherwise, is it looping again? Oh, do we need to break out of the I if it found a match? Yeah, hold on. No. Right there, I think. If found match break? Is that the confused, scared. All right. Hey, so what if you want to do another one, what's the did I choose what? Fastest or shortest or what? Reverse is my favorite because it's not just the coding, it's there's the puzzle you have to figure out. Huh? But I do like the other as well. I was watching Code and Garden the other day, and he got us all to do Go. Excuse me, the Go programming language. No, I'm not drunk.
Twitch Dan Dimke, I like the idea of reverse, they're just poorly designed cause user submitted content.
Oh, yeah. What am I missing? So if it gets to B, what should it do? Because I would be what? 0, 1, 2. J is going to equal 3, the end. And then here, it's never going to find a match, so found a match is going to be false. So once it exits that loop, found match will be false. Found any then, found any singles, true. So it should print it S sub I.
Twitch Dan Dimke, I'm not sure why my solution is wrong tbh, it didn't tell me. Maybe I was supposed to click something at the end.
Huh. So found any gets C, if not found match. And that gets reset every time, right? All right, well, I don't know. So I guess right through here, I mean, I have a minute left. I'm not going to get this. I don't know why. I honestly am clueless here. So let's just see out S sub I. And I really should increase the light level in my room. I sit in here pretty much in the dark. How come I doesn't increment? Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Have not found match. Found any equals. Oh, so I shouldn't break there? Wait, no. Oh, this needs to be outside of the thing. So found match. Oh, I got it. Okay, no. I screwed it up. Yeah, okay. We're done. I think I might have figured it out at the end there, but no. Not enough time because I just had an epiphany that I was doing it wrong. Oh, can we just play again? Here we go. Fastest, shortest.
Twitch Dan Dimki, it seems like you're assuming that abcab would return C, even though the ab have no immediately adjacent match, which is interesting. My solution assumes they must be contiguous to count as pairs.
No, what I did was I had that little if statement in the wrong scope, and I had to redo my variables the different way. And yeah, had it effed up from the beginning. From the beginning. So can we just jump right back into another private? Ah, we can. Okay, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. It's been a long time since I've done private clashes too.
Twitch programmer Jeff.
Let's
link to coding
go.
game.
So it looks like we're doing whatever it chooses, fastest, reversed, or shortest. Where's the Echoes of the Night? Okay, what about this one? In the late night bars, pixel art. You down for another one, bro? Let's go. Oh, I gotta stretch. Oh, I've been streaming an hour? Man. Oh. Oh. Hey, there we go. Spaceships fly in a digital sky. Dude, cool. Forevermore. Oh, reverse. Hee hee. Prime what? Prime, is that a is that a hint? 17 da da da. Key tap to the final map. No primes, no primes. Coders race. Oh boy. Okay, so what's this here? I think I need to make a function. Isn't it the square root of the number? Do I need to include CMath, I think? In this code and code to the stars, reach so far. If fly in this coder's race. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, ba-da, bum, bum, ba-da, bum, 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 bum. Anybody else now joining the stream? You can click the link and join the coding clash of code, coding game Clash of Code, up until the time when the clash ends at 15 minutes, which is now 13 minutes. So, okay, so if I can't type anymore. The number mod I Oh, I need that. 0. Return true. Otherwise, return false. That is pretty good for a prime determinant here. And then we need an integer for the list prime. 0. So, oh wait, let's put it because I know it. I know it. So n is the number, and then it's like let's do that for all, and then it gives you the num. Okay, so then you go like this. So go if is prime num and num is greater than the largest prime. Then we're going to go like this. Largest. Then down here, we're going to print out num. We're going to go if the largest greater than 0, do that, else. What does it say? No primes in all caps or something like that? No primes. Uh-oh. No. Oh. Expected 7? Uh-oh. Son of a beat. So what do we got? Num is prime num. Oh. Hi. So if is prime and okay, I think that'll work. Do we have what's going on here? Why is there squiggly? Oh. Alright. Never mind. Everything's fine. What? Did it not work? Still? What? This one? From the first key tap. Okay, so it should find 7. Let's see if my is prime is working. If is prime and so let's just take out this. All right, let's just go here because actually we know that the largest prime is still 0 at the end. So we want to know temporarily what is the result of this function. Excuse me. If is prime. So let's just see if it'll find the largest. Or none of them are prime, so I think it's my is prime. Int I is equal to 2, I is less than third of the number, I plus plus, although we can go faster with that. We can start with just leave that. Wait, square root, does that return an integer? I forget. Hold on. Returns a float, that's the problem. So I think I just need to cast that to an int. Like that. Oh, but then, yeah, hold on. We need. Still says no primes, so not hopeful at that point. No. Well, let's just ask AI if this is a good is prime. Not a good. It has a logical error in the return values and missing necessary checks for small numbers. Hold on. The function's current logic is completely reversed regarding what it returns. Oh, it is? If the number is equal to 0 at any point, that means it is not prime. Oh, you're right. You're right. Good catch. I'm an idiot. Okay, and I think the rest is fine. It was just complaining about stuff because, yeah, it wants to optimize it and do all that other stuff, I'm sure, with it. Nope, test 3 failed. Okay. So now, if num is greater than the largest prime, so 6, why did it print 6? Because the square root of 6 is what? Square root of the number plus 1? I'm getting it wrong with the number 6? Oh, that's really? No. Expected no primes. Oh. Wait, how come it printed the number 1? Okay, hold on. If is prime and number is greater than the largest prime. I think we got it. There we go. We got it. Yay. At the first key tap to the final map. Okay. Oh, that feels good. I did it. I got it. Woo hoo. Oh goodness. So what do we? I just played that one. What do we do next? Coming up next. Let's see. Where's Echoes of the Night? If you got Echoes. Oh, this one. Hold on. This one's a good one. It's an oldie but a goodie. Bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum. Out I learned to see. What a beautiful is prime, and I just came up with it. I'm telling you. Every word becoming clear. By step I start to grow, understanding what you show. Hey, night and day, I will never fade away. Yeah, sorry, I'm singing. I am here to help you through. Andy, you want us to look at your code, bro? Click share. Of your need. Otherwise, I'm clicking play again. Oh, he did. Here we go. Oh, look at this. If n is less than, there you go. That would have been. I used AI to check my is prime, which I had the logic reversed. I was returning true if it was not prime, and false if it was. So yeah, and I squared is less than n. Nice. Okay, that's cool. Nice. I like the is prime. I like the is prime. Scanf. Oh, you're using C. That's right. Wow.
Twitch and MP. I don't like coding problems that require esoteric math knowledge.
Honestly, the only reason I know that is because I have a particular shader that it uses a prime number function finder in the fragment shader, and I went through with AI, and we came up with like 3 different. Each one of them optimized more and more of is primes, and I only remember the basic one. But anyway, yeah. I am here to help you through. And is prime and max prime. Yep.
And MP. Asking about
Cool.
primes should be a crime.
All right, you down for another one? Let's go. Let's go. I love having the chat again because I really missed the chat part of. See, this is all I had to read, and I fixed it. There's more that he said, that AI said, and I didn't have to. What did it actually say here? Help you through. Just gotta learn from you. Oh, see, you did this one. I didn't do this one. Good Google. You had a good Google, but AI was going to get there if I'd read more, you know. All right, what do we got? Launch Clash. Okay, folks, we got Dandy in again. Yay! You can join the clash anytime up until the 15-minute mark. You can choose from like 30 different programming languages. Learn a new language right now. I don't necessarily want to do that, but I wouldn't be entirely opposed. Help you through every task I learn from you. Given a sequence of integers, mountain heights, count how many peaks it contains. What? An element I think I've done this one before. I mean, I think I backed out of this one. we can do it though. An element is a peak if peak must have an element on its left and its right. So it can't be the edge. Okay, the peak is strictly larger than its adjacent elements, the elements directly to its right and its left. Okay, that seems fairly simple, right? Nothing wrong with that. Who cares? It's fine. Everything's fine. All right, integer number of elements, space-separated integers, mountain heights, single integer number of peaks. Let's put them all in a vector. Start with that. St. Actually, I think I can just use vector. Int, and we'll call it the height. Okay, and then as we go through and we get all these, we're just going to go the height dot pushback. AI giving. Okay, so at this point here we have the heights, and it contains all of the integers. Single integer number of peaks. Okay, and this is the input, and then yeah. Okay, so I take it 0 is an effective number, is our effective answer. Int count peaks equals 0. So how do I do this with an iterator? Or is it for each? Hold on. Iterator, okay, vector numbers, loop, way too much. I just want the code, I don't want size t. Oh yeah, I remember, I learned what size t is. It's an integer, unsigned integer, kind of nice to use. I need to start using that. In fact, I should use that right now. Okay, index, numbers, we can just loop through numbers.size. Okay, okay. Let's do that, let's use size t. It's a variable type, it's an unsigned integer, I equals 0. The heights, size, plus. So count peak. If I equals 0, equals the heights dot size minus 1. Okay. Then continue. Otherwise, if the height, the by, is, wait, how do we know? A peak? So 1, 3, 2. So if it's greater than, yeah, so it'd be greater than the one that it just came from. So if it's greater than the height, I minus 1, okay, and the height by is less than next one plus 1. Then we're just gonna go count peaks. He already got it. Dandy got it. Dandy got it. Okay, and then we're just gonna output count peaks. No. No. So if I is equal to 0 or the heights size minus 1, continue. if the heights I is greater than the heights I minus 1. And yeah, the heights I is less than the heights. Oh no, it's got to be greater than both. Dur, 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 dur. Huh, we got it. Okay, so, and because this is a vector, I want to look at what AI said about loop using iterators. Okay, so if I wanted to loop through this using an iterator, or vector iterator, it equals numbers. Can't read. Here. I just want to look at this. Hold on. So, paste it in. Oh, I can see the whole thing. So iterator okay, std vector int. Okay, that's colon iterate. That's the scope. It equals numbers dot begin. So that will give you the beginning. Oh, that's interesting. So like the zeroth index. And then it is not equal to numbers dot end, and then plus it. Okay. Access element using the dereference operator. Element star it. Oh, okay. So there's no index counter in this loop whatsoever. So plus it is like a pointer. So it's basically like a pointer, and it's incrementing the pointer each time, and then it's like this is a pointer to it. Interesting. That's cool. I think I mean I know all this stuff because I've read this, but it was like we're talking about years ago. All this stuff about. It's in my brain. Alrighty dandy. Cool. Look at this. All code here. scanf height, preview. Oh, peaks equals 0. Height 0, height 0, 0. Lots of variables going. Scanf height. If I is greater than or equal to 2. And a height is less than height preview. And the height is height. Wait, height is height preview? And height preview greater than height preview.
Twitch Dandimki, previous equals previous.
Oh, previous, I'm saying preview like an idiot. That's oh, preview equals previous equals previous equals height. Oh, okay, so you're setting it up like that. Oh, tricky, Ricky. That's very tricky, Ricky. So it's greater than or equal to 2. And did you get 100? You got 100, yeah, because what about the edge cases? Like this one covers the edge on the left side, but what about the other side? Oh, cool. All right, cool.
Twitch Dandimki, I'm checking for the peaks on the third number.
Oh,
Twitch
okay.
Dandimki, so there is no right side edge case.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good idea. Didn't think. Good idea. So the middle one here is height preview or height previous. Let's move on. Let's move on.
Twitch
Next one.
Dandimki, yeah.
Let's move on to the next one, dude.
Twitch programmer Jeff, link to coding game.
Twitch Dandimki, probably should have used an
An
array
area-
of 3 ints.
3 ints. Oh, okay, that's a solution too. That'd have been cool. Here we go. Alrighty, chat. Anybody else that comes in or joins, you may join anytime up until the 15-minute mark. Or until the class ends. I think once I end it, move on to the next one, but I could be wrong. Okay, what do we got? CodingGame.com, is an online platform for programmers to improve their coding skills through game-based challenges and puzzles. The site has a leveling system. By doing various activities, you gain XP. Wait, we do? And once you get enough XP, you get promoted to the next level. Specifically, to get from level L-1 to level L, you need to round it down, L to the power of 1.5 times 10 XP. What? For example, to go from level 2 to 3, you need 3 to the power of 1.5 times 10, 51 additional XP. Oh. Your task is to implement the algorithm that determines how much more XP a player needs to level up. Cool. An integer for the level the user is currently on, an integer XP for the amount of XP the user has collected since reaching a level. The amount of XP the user has to gain to reach the next level as an integer, or level up if the user already has enough XP to level up. So the integer XP is the amount of XP the user has collected since reaching a level. That's a little bit like, what if the level is 100 and the person is at 105? Does that mean that that number is 5? Or does that mean that once they hit 105, they reach that level, and then any XP after that? So I'm kind of, we'll see what that does. The amount of XP the user has to gain to reach the next level as an integer, or level up if the user already has enough XP to level up. So that has to be the spot where the user has just landed their XP. And, because, yeah, otherwise you wouldn't be able to calculate. Or level up if the user already has enough XP to level up. So input 2 and 0, output 51. So, which is this calculation rate? So level there, so the next level is going to be like this. That's cool. Next level equals level plus 1. What is it? To the power of times 10. Okay. And then that number. So then we just want to go if next level is, minus X. So if that number is 51 and that number is greater than 50, then it's going to be negative. So greater than 0. Oh, I think we're on it. Ooh, we got it. Okay, cool. Yeah. I know Dandy's still working away, but we're going to look at the best code from... Sorry, I'm hamming it up. So that's a, hey, thanks for the follow, Arai719. Feel free to join the clash if you like. There's a link in chat. Post it again.
Twitch programmer Jeff, link to Coding Game.
You can join anytime up until the clash ends in 10 minutes. Used up to 30 programming languages. It's a private clash, so I have it choose randomly between fastest, shortest, and a reverse. And it's a lot of fun. You can learn a new programming language, or just like I do, I just brush up my brain. That's it. I just keep my brain a little bit more active than not. Oh,
Twitch
Dandy
and
finished.
I give up.
You give up? Oh,
Twitch and
50%.
Dimpy, too lazy to do this.
Wait, what happened? What happened? To next floor, PAL level, attempts 10. To next here, FTD air. 2 next is greater than 0. 2 next else. Wasn't that it? Didn't you get it? Oh, nice. I'm mostly going to lurk and try to click the green box when I can. Cool. The green box?
Twitch
wait.
and Impkey, to know it wasn't working,
Wait, dude.
but I have no debugger, so who cares?
Do you know about this? Hold on, bro. Let me show this dude. I don't click the green box anymore. I use this. It's the Franker Face Z Control Center. Have you heard about this? Don't know. It wasn't working, but I have no debugger, so who cares? Uh-oh. So the Franker Face Z Control Center allows you to watch streams, and it will automatically, among other things, it will automatically hit the green button for you. Pretty cool. It's an extension of the, I think it's in Edge, and I think it's in Chrome too. It's free. You just install it and do a little configuration. I think you have to go in and tell it what to do. It's really cool when it shows you the emotes too, because it has it shows. Let's see, it has channel, all these emotes. Is this how it usually is for Twitch, or is this the Franker Z interface? It's been so long since I've been using this, I don't even know anymore. I have not. I'll have to check it out. Yeah, if you like, it's free, and it keeps you from having to, like, you can lay back on your on another, away from the computer, basically, is what I'm saying. I lay back on my bed and just watch streams, and I get points and stuff. So, all right. Well, let's see here. Do another one. Let's do another one. Oh, Sig, that'd be so nice. I use Twitch as background sound to support people that do stuff like coding
Twitch
streams.
programmer
Cool.
Jeff, link to coding
Very
game.
nice to meet you. That sounds awesome. Dandy McGee is also a streamer. Shout out. Let's see. How do I do shout out here? Shout out? Is it? Oh, wait. No, it's backslash. Shout out. Dandy McGee, if you want to follow this dude, he does game dev, and there we go. And he is the one coding with me. Whoops, did I code it? Did I paste it? Yeah. And he is a pretty cool dude. Plays games and stuff too. He's a little bit more interesting to watch play games than me, probably. To be honest. To be honest. Fifth Function is also really cool. He was just here a little bit ago. Alright, Andy, if you do not join me, I will just do a regular clash now that coding game is working. I don't even have any friends on to invite. No, and there's nobody else streaming it. But it looked like you had it, the other one. I don't know what was wrong. Alright, looks like he might not be with the clashes anymore. Am I? Oh, we gotta. We're just gonna do a regular clash. Hopefully it will load. Very excited. Very excited. Get some music going again. Where's the echoes of the night? Oh, here it is. Welcome to the stream. Dun, 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 dun. Join, computer, join. In the shadows where we linger. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. I wonder if it's for me, if it's only private clashes. Wonder if I have to switch over to Chrome. Look at my Subway account. Computer join! Look at all those people join! Son of a bean nippin' flapjacks. Alright, can we sign in? Never truly feel. Oh, we're in. Okay, so I'm gonna try on Chrome here. Echoes in the night, dancing with the ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can release. Nope, it's not working on Chrome either. Son of a bean dippin' flapjack. You know what I want to do? Oh, nope, it's working. Yes. Yes, it's working. The question is, though, will I be able to compile the test? I got into this point earlier and it wasn't. So for some reason the private class works. Alright, we'll see. So if I hit play test. Oh, it's working. Okay. Here are some pre-quotated atoms. What? Oh my gosh, what are we doing? Physics. Haunted by the memories, chained by love we can release. There are three main types of chemical bonds: ionic, covalent, and metallic. Oh. Ionic bonds occur between a metal and a non-metal. Covalent bonds occur between two non-metals. Okay, I want to look this stuff up now. I don't want to be doing this. Metallic bonds occur between two metals. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay. Covalent, two non-metals. Metallic, two metals. Ionic, one of each. Oh. You're given two atoms in an element symbol, case, sensitive. You're given two atoms. Okay, the translation. Some of these are written in other languages. They translate them to English. Not always the best. Find the bond between these two atoms. Here's a list of metals and non-metals that may be tested. Here's some pre-quotated. Oh, they gave you the area. Okay. That echoes in the night. Oh, quite nice. Quite a few echoes. Code to the stars. Here. Got him too. Thank you both for streaming stuff. I used to be more active on Coding Game, working on getting back to it. Yeah, it's same here. I missed the chat on there. It's nice to have the private classes you can do in your stream and people can click and join. Makes it nice. The pixel art. The morning sun takes form. So how do I do this? Okay, is that streets so far, spaceships fly. Lost the game to see it soar into space. Feedback on it's a high, smiling wide, coding quotated. First key tap to the final map. Oh, like this. Okay, so vector string list. Oh, and that'll just put it into a vector? Nice. Okay. Yeah, I do a lot of coding with graphics and stuff, so I don't do the string stuff very often. Chars, strings, you know, all this other stuff. And this is what I sound like when I close my nose. Check if the lists are exactly the same. No, we don't want to do that, but that's fine. And then, okay, and then we can use the iterators. And I think, because I need some practice using the iterators. Flew through the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly, and the digits fly in this coder's race. Oh. Key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Ba-bum. Ooh, that sounds cool. So let's go metal. Can you start a variable with a capital letter? Yeah, you can. Maybe not. Maybe not. I think you can though. Does that have to be a constant? I'm scared. Scared. Oh, okay, put in the square for me. There's it. Ah. Okay, I think we're good there. Metal, non-metal. Okay. So what do we want to do here? We want to find out if it's because it's giving you E1 and E2. You want to find out their relationship. Oh. That's ironic. I'm kidding. YouTube player N5i, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing Code and Game, and if you stick around and join one of my private classes, you too can participate, and we can review your code and stuff, and that would be awesome. Where am I at? So what we want to do, sort. No, we don't want to sort. I just want to use this list begin end. I think that's all I want to do. I don't scared. Here, oh wait, it's over here. All right, so what do we? Oh, we just want to know if it contains. If a vector contains. I think it. How can I tell if a vector contains a vector of string? A given string. C. The most idiomatic and effective way to check if a vector contains a specific string is by using the std-find algorithm. Oh, yeah, that's right. From the algorithm header. Okay. Good idea. Whoops, not there. It was in one of my projects today. Find. So E1. So we need to know the type. We need to know the type of E1 and E2. So, if on metal dot find E_1. But it's not algorithm in there, right? Right. Methods generally contain a bit of it. Find std find vector begin vector end item. Oh, you have to. Oh, you got to tell at the beginning of the. None of a bean dip and flapjack. Wait, what? Oh, it's an actual function. It's not a method of the string of the vector. Yeah. std. Oops, and I'm not paying attention. std find algorithm, that should work, right? We have both vector and algorithm. So std find, and then what we want is e.1 begin. E underscore is what I meant. And then we want to find. Oh wait. Oh, not what we want to do. So we want to find non-metal. Non-metal there. And what we were looking for is E underscore 1. So that, wait, parentheses, parentheses. So find, there. Hold on, what am I doing wrong? Wait, where are we at? What? Oh, vector, begin, vector, end. Auto IT. It returns an iterator pointing to the first occurrence of the item. Oh, so return IT not equal to vector. Oh, that's a Boolean. Okay. All right, let's copy that. So that's how I've pretty much learned programming, is from examples. So I actually read examples of code better than I read explanations. So let's just go like this. Try Gemini in Google Chrome. Okay. Yeah, I gotcha. Gemini's everywhere, bro. It's on my phone. Okay, is that just given an error because it's already been declared there? Okay. So auto it equals that. So we want to do the same thing with like an auto it 2. Non-metal. This time let's go metal. Okay, for E1. Okay. Gallant. Shortest mode. I don't think I'm getting that. 4 minutes left. I'm barely going to get it at all. Barely going to get it at all. Yeah, we could use a function for this, but. Wait. Okay, so E1 metal, non-metal, E2, non-metal, metal. Okay, all right. Now we go down here. So now we know it's not equal to. So if, what are we doing now? If it is not equal to spec.end, no, it's it dot. Oh wait, what are we doing? Oh. So that means it's not in, if it's not equal to that, then it's actually in there somewhere. Okay. So that means it's a non-metal. Okay, how do I do it? Should I, hold on. So if it's a non-metal, then what we want to check for, what is the other one? Did I set it equal to a type? How much time have I got? Not enough. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Okay, if I3 if I3 is not equal to non-metal.end. Okay, so that means it is a non-metal. So if they're both non-metals, then they are covalent. Covalent, C out. Okay. So if that one is a non-metal and the other one is a metal, then just go else. C out. Then it's ionic, right? That's kind of cool that I remember that, even though I don't, yeah. So otherwise, if that one is not a non-metal, it's a metal, then we have to go through just the opposite of this with I4, right? Or is it I3? So confused, honestly. Maybe we don't need all those checks that I just did. So if that one's a metal, this one, then it's not going to be covalent, it's going to be metallic. Okay. And then if they are different, wait, because if that one's a metal and that one's a non-metal, so these need to be reversed. Phew, what the heck? So does that Phew, do not ask me how my brain works to do that, because I do not know. My gosh, look at this in Python. Of course, it took him this long a time, right? It took him 14 minutes to come up with this. Is it shortest? I forget does it tell you if it's shortest? I forgot. Input ABS equals that. I like how that's smart. See, because I came down to realize that I only needed to check one thing. I didn't need both arrays, but that's fine. So metallic, ionic, covalent, A in S plus B in S. What? So if A is not an S and B is not an S, what is that? Like covalent, yeah. Somehow that gives 1, 0, 1, or 2, right? There's only 3 outputs from that one. Metallic, ionic, and yeah. Interesting. So if they're in S, that must be they're both the same in S. And then if they're both not, then they're both metal. So that must be the non-metal. That must be the non-metals up there. Yeah, it's got helium and stuff. Okay. So it's a non-metal. So if they're not in the non-metal, then they're metal. Okay, everybody got that one? And if one of them is and the other one isn't, then they have the ionic relationship. Oh, that's the first Python solution that I've understood completely without actually knowing the lingo or whatever. I mean, I learned Python on Coding Game a while ago. That was a while ago. Wait, oh, and these guys didn't get it. Oh, didn't get it in C, bro. Looks like he was working on it. All right. Anyways, go back to home. Computer. There you go. Boy, this website is just weird today. It is just weird. All right, we got some new people in chat. Let's see if anybody's
Twitch programmer Jeff
wanting to
linked
join. We'll
Coding
give a few minutes here. I'm going to stretch after I select another piece of music here. Code to the Stars Galactic Trading School. Oops, I forget I'm on here. My PowerShell window, see? It's transparent.
Rolling through the farthest stars in this cosmic bazaar. Engines hum, a silent vow, spaceships bounce. Aliens shout and barter.
I don't remember doing all this.
Currency chimes
Cool.
Are you down? Galactic trade routes where
Oh, son of a bean dip. Closed it up. Let's get another one. Every creature, every kind, treasures you'll find. Ba-ba-da-bum-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Looks like we're not going to get another partner, so I'll have to go to a regular clash again. That's fine.
bright goods on array.
Oh, the stretching. I'll be right back. I need to move. Has it been 2 hours now? Dang, cool.
Spaceships come and go. Markets always on show. Lost in this cosmic spree. Feel so free. Robots shuffle by, selling tech from the sky. Crystals, gems, and gear. Magic here. Screens displayed, bright goods on array. Treasures to find, treasures to find, treasures to find. Markets always on show.
Okay, cool. Oh, I went to the bathroom. Nobody wants to join, huh? Alrighty. Ugh. Ugh. Let's see, how long since I gave that? Oh, I need to join like that. There. If? There we go. Oh, somebody's in there. I'm not in there yet. Son of a bean. So it is an Edge. Not or it's not Edge. It's because it's doing the same thing now in Chrome. Oh yeah, how it works. Yeah, it needs to work, bro. Nice little video there. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I can go to lead code. Actually, you know what I want to do, right? You know what I want to do? Hold on. Hold the phone. I forgot. You know what I forgot? Some stuff. We don't need that one anymore. That was cool. Although for an iterator, std vector int scope operator iterator. Okay. All right. Let's type it out. Vector int computer. That's not helping me. It's filling it in for me with the AI. It's not helping me remember. It's not. That's hold on. In the new Visual Studio 2026, how does one disable temporarily the AI autocomplete? Trying to remember code autocomplete. Eating this purpose. But I want to re-enable it. Yes, I always say please to the AI. Okay? Okay. You got a problem with that? In a weirdo thing, that's a common issue. Trying to practice or memorize code. Fortunately, the primary AI autocompletion features in Visual 2026, primarily IntelliCode whole, can be quickly toggled on and off. Yes, I know. There's a myriad of, yeah. Since you want to disable it temporarily, enable it, click the best of all keyboard shortcuts, a dedicated toggle button. Here are the best ways to temporarily disable the AI autocomplete features. Best method, quick toggle in the editor. Visual Studio provides a small UI element in the bottom right corner of the editor window that lets you quickly toggle the AI suggestions. Small what? In the bottom where? Somewhere down here? Okay. You say so, boss. Look for the Lightbulb Copilot icon in the bottom right corner of your code editor window, often next to the zoom control. You will see a small purple light bulb icon for IntelliCode. For the GitHub Copilot icon, a stylized icon. Click and disable. Click on the icon, a small menu will pop up. Select disable, select the option that says disable whole line completions or disable completions. If using Copilot to re-enable it, just repeat the steps and select the enable option. What? Okay, so what am I looking for? Here? It's not in the bottom right. Okay, but I found it. Enable Copilot completions, and we're just going to uncheck it. Okay. So let's start over. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's nice. We're going to learn the location of that pretty quick. I can tell you that right now. Okay. Iterate. Even though I'm glancing up to look at that and I'm copying it outright, it's still way better than having the autocomplete literally right cursor. So iterator. And then what is it? Copy. While it is not equal to numbers dot it plus plus. All right, that's cool. And let's see how easy is that to go right back. Settings. Enable next edit suggestion. Oh. STD cout element. Okay. See, it's taking it right from there. Might as well. Might as well. All right. So let's look at where's my Copilot use. Still at 62%. Limit refreshes on the 11th. So I can actually do quite a bit of coding, but not today, not tonight, or well, maybe tonight because today's my Friday at work. So, and then I have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Is today the 30th? Is it the end of November? Dang. It's already December. What's going on here? I don't even know what's going on. Okay, so let's see if we can raid out just Covino. He on? Is he? Are you streaming? Where's? Let me go look at who's. I think actually I can go into the. Let's go into the rating interface. Stream info, clip that, raid channel. So who's on? Kubaman. Following. I don't know who this is. I'm not following them. Sort by low to high. I'm not following any of these. Okay. Right the other way. Twitch. Thor is on. Thor is on. Thor is awesome, by the way. Thor is awesome. A huge fan. Who's down here? CA2. Munglo? Oh, Jessica Vito is on. Well, how come it didn't say? It wouldn't let me. Wait. Wouldn't let me do it. Rate him. Ba-ba-bum. Searching. Just. Bovino. There. There we go, guys. Start the raid. Say hi to Covino. He is a Godot coder, former lifeguard, educator.